Hello, friends. This is Myra McCullough with Myra Holy Fit, and I'm here today to kick off the month of September with the new intention of the month. Now, last month we had our first intention, which was trust the process. And in the love letter, I have included some great prompt questions for you to reflect on this, which is a very important aspect of a modality, a practice that you use for your self-regulation and self-healing. So reflecting on what this process gave you, what was the outcome of it, what you learned, how you grew, and if you feel complete with it to move to the next one, it's very important to take that time. So I would love to hear from you by just replying the email with some of the most insightful answers to your questions about last month's journey. So this month, the intention is connect with nature. And again, through our social media narrative that we have composed with a lot of love with our lovely team. And it gives you tips and lessons and, of course, little snapshots of my experience to help you and inspire you in this organic personal custom process that you're going to create about connecting with nature. So that is the kickoff, and I want you to be curious about what nature has for you. Nature has the same frequency as the frequency of love that emanates from our hearts, and which is no coincidence why the heart chakra is green. Love is the same frequency as nature's. So let's tap into that miracle, that great access to that frequency of love that is present around us when we look for it, because it's nature's frequency. And I also want you to be curious about the fact that if you might be missing a breakthrough in your current life challenges from the lack of this connection with nature, which has so much medicine for us and our hurts, our challenges, our doubts, our disconnections. And I want you to ponder on that perhaps you're missing a breakthrough that you need because you haven't opened the door to nature to give you what you need. And the great thing is, like this little fly around me right now, so natural. The question is, it's there and it's free. Make sure that you haven't skipped your breakthrough by looking in other places before looking into this thing that is accessible to you 24/7. All right? So those are my encouragements. My journey with nature has been quite vast since 2011. And it was very new to me because I was, kind of more in the city girl culture. So it's been a beautiful relationship, and that it never stops. And I'm really looking forward to this month's intention and my treasure hunt, because I really need to go to a deeper level with nature. And thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for sharing your thoughts in the emails by replying them. I get them directly. So we'd love to hear from you and wish you a wonderful and exciting month. Connect with nature and flow with it. Ciao.